Have you ever waited in long queues at a mall parking lot for a free charger? Or tried to charge your car every night only to see your electricity bill spike? Maybe you've even canceled road trips, not sure if charging stations would deliver full power. And now, with the $7,500 tax credit gone, the question remains, when will there finally be an EV cheap enough for the majority?
On Sunday, Tesla dropped a mysterious 9-second teaser, ending with one date, October 7th, 2025. Is it the long-awaited Model 2? Could it end apartment charging queues forever and make EV ownership truly affordable? Let's unpack what might arrive in 2025 and how it could change the entire EV market.
The biggest breakthrough comes from Unboxed Assembly 2.0, Tesla's new way of building cars. Unlike traditional assembly lines that move linearly, Model 2 is built in 6 modules in parallel: body, interior, battery pack, drive unit, glazing, and exterior. This method cuts assembly time from 10 hours to just 4 or 5, removes bottlenecks, and saves space. Each module is scanned by 3D metrology for
Model 2 also redefines Giga Casting, producing single-piece front and rear structures. This replaces over 300 separate parts and thousands of welds, cutting weight and improving stiffness. High-vacuum aluminum casting improves strength and crash safety while lowering cost. Tesla's rare earth-free motor is another game-changer. Using advanced magnet technology and oil-cooled stators, torque density rises 12% while cost drops. Combined with a hybrid silicon carbide inverter, efficiency reaches 98% with 30% less energy loss. And with an 800-volt electrical system, charging from 10 to 80% takes just 20 minutes. Less copper, less heat, more power.
Model 2's battery isn't just an energy source. It's part of the car's spine. Using dry-coated electrodes, cell-to-chunk design, and Octavalve 2.0 cooling, Tesla reduces mass, increases range, and cuts production cost. No solvents, no drying ovens. Faster.
But the real secret weapon is software. Model 2 runs on Tesla's latest vision-only system using AI video transformers to understand 3D space. No radar, no LiDAR. This new network detects small objects 30% faster and drives smoother. A self-learning planner constantly improves from fleet data, cutting steering interventions by 40%. Tesla's fleet learning only uploads useful data, meaning faster updates, lower costs, and smarter cars. Over time, Model 2 keeps improving automatically, like your phone upgrading overnight.
Put it all together: Unboxed 2.0, rare earth-free motor, structural battery, and AI software, and Tesla's Model 2 might be the first truly affordable EV that doesn't compromise on quality. A $10,000 car performing like an $80,000 model. It's more efficient, smarter, and built faster than any rival.
If all these technologies, manufacturing, drivetrain, battery, and software truly come together, Model 2 could reset the entire EV market. Which breakthrough do you think matters most? Comment below: manufacturing, drivetrain, battery, or software. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated for Tesla's October 7th, 2025 event, because that might just be the day the EV world changes forever.